Good morning, students. In the last lecture we have seen about the classification of living thing and non-living thing. So now we will go to the next lesson, that is animals and plants. Okay, what is the difference between plants and animals? They depend on other plants or they depend on each other for their foods. Okay, so we'll go to the description about the plants and animals. And you open page number 129. Learning points. Difference between plants and animals. Plants make their own food. All animals depend on plants for food directly or indirectly. Movement and reproduction in animals. Animals and plants depend on each other. So, in the learning point, they have shown us that plants and animals both depend on each other. Let's go. The animal and plants around us are living things. They need air, water and food. So, plants and animals. Plants and animals are living things. Okay, they depend on air, water. They need air, water and food. Okay, how we need air, water and food. So in the same way, plants and animals also need air, water and food. They also reproduce. Plants and animals have many common characteristics, yet they are different in many ways. You find an animal moving from one place to another, but plants remain fixed in a place. We shall now learn more about it. Animals move from one place to another. So if I say animals, okay, they move from one place to another. They move from one place to another. You have seen a dog that is moved from one place to another. You have seen a cow. It works in a farm. So, they move from one place to another. You see the birds, they fly in the sky. You see a fish, it continuously swims in water. So animals move from one place to another. Animals walk, jump, crawl, fly, swim. They primarily move in search of food. Plants remain fixed to a place. You will soon know why they need not move. So, animals, they move, they jump, they crawl. You see a dog, it jumps, it runs. You see a fish, it continuously swims. You see a parrot or a pigeon, it continuously flies. You see a butterfly, it continuously flies. You see a earthworm, it continuously crawls. So, animals, they continuously move, jump, run, walk, okay, from one place to another. But plants, they don't move from one place to another. They are in a same position. Animals feed on plants and other animals. So, animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals like cow and giraffe eat only plants. So, cow or goat, okay, they eat grass. You know, everybody know that cow and goat, they eat grass. But if you see a tiger or a giraffe, okay, they will eat everything they can catch and kill. Okay, so tiger and lion, okay, tiger, you know tigers, okay, So tiger and lion, they don't eat grass. Okay, they eat other animals. Okay, they kill the animals and they eat. Okay, so they go in search of animals, they pull it in their hands, they kill it and then they eat it. Plants, animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals like cow and giraffe eat only plants, while animals like tiger and lion will eat everything that they can catch and kill. Animals like bear and crow eat both plants and small animals. Humans eat cereals, vegetables, fruits, meat, egg, etc. So, crow. If you see a crow and bear, okay, they will eat plants and animals. Okay, they will eat both. They will eat plants also and they will eat animals also, which is been dead on the road. But humans mean us. Okay, us. We are the human beings. So humans eat. So we eat fruits, vegetables, pulses, etc. Okay. So humans means we. Sometimes we eat fruits, we eat vegetables, we eat everyday vegetables, we eat rice every day, we eat roti every day. So animals, they eat both plants and well as animals. Some animals, they eat only animals, okay, like tiger and lion. They kill the animal and they eat. Cow and goat, they don't eat animals, they eat grass. They eat dry grass, they eat wet grass. But crow and bear, they can eat both. They can eat plants also and they can eat animals also. Turn to page number 130. Next is only green plants. Only green plants make their own food with the help of air and water in the presence of sunlight. Okay, so green plants. You know which are the green plants? Like mushrooms. They prepare their own food. Aloe vera. They prepare their own food with sunlight, air and water. Okay. So green plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay. So air, everybody, water, every day in the morning we put water, and sunlight, that it comes from the sun itself. Mushroom and molds, which are not green plants, cannot prepare their own food. They feed on dead and decaying plants. So some mushrooms are there. Some mushrooms, they prepare their own food. But some mushrooms are there that they cannot prepare their own food. Okay? They depend on decay organism or decay, or it depends on the decaying matters. Okay? Or decay organism, we can say. Decay organism means the worms. See in the picture they have shown us that there are small pores. So there are small worms. So mushroom and mold, some mushrooms, they don't prepare their own food. So they wait for the death and the decaying matters to come. That is, sometimes the earthworm, that they are in the ground. So they go and then they give foods to the plants. Okay. So some green plants, they prepare their own food, and some green plants, they depend on death and decaying matter. Next is insectivorous plants. Okay. Some plants depend on animals for nutrients. Venus flytrap is one among them. The leaf of the plant is made of two parts. The inner side of the leaf secretes a sticky substance. Insects that visit the plant get stuck up to the leaf. Soon the leaf closes on the insect and is observed by the plant. So insectivorous plant, okay, they have given a picture of a flower, that is a Venus flytrap. Okay, it's an animal. So there is a they have two leaves. Okay, one is a leaf that is outside, that open, see, and second is a leaf that is in inner part. Okay, inside the part that is a sticky substances. So if any insect go and sit on that leaf, the insects immediately sticks it. Okay, it immediately stick it, and then the leaf immediately closes. The leaf immediately closes and the plant observes. Means the insect now goes inside the plant, and so we call it as insectivorous plants. That means the plant that observe the insects inside the leaf, we call it as insectivorous plants. Okay, the animal or the insect that sit on the leaf, it immediately closes the leaf, and the insect then gets observed by the plant, and so we call it as insectivorous plants. Next is the breathing organs. Okay, animals have different organs for breathing depending on where they live. Water animals have gills that help them breathe in water. Insects have tiny pores on their skin which help them to breathe. All four legs animals that live on land have legs. So water animals, so you know what is a water animal? Mainly we say that's fish. So fish breathe. Okay, fish breathe through gills. You know now gills, fishes have wings. Okay, they have gills. So with the help of a gills, they breathe. Okay. So insects like we can say mosquito. Okay, mosquito, they have small pores. Okay, they have small tiny pores. Okay, that in front of them you see when a mosquito or a cockroach, in front of them they have a tiny thin pore. With the help of that pore, they breathe. And four-legged animals. So if I say four-legged animal, then it comes as lion, tiger, dog. Okay, they have lungs. Okay, they have lungs. They have lungs inside the stomach. So they breathe with the help of the lungs. So for today we have seen about insectivorous plants, what are the breathing organs, animals, whether they move from one place to another, and animals feed on plants and animals. I request all the kids to kindly read the lesson till the breathing organs. Thank you.